Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get 100% free certified human trafficking awareness professional CHTAP certifications. So we'll go through the step-by-step process. So here is the how to learn, recognize, prevent and respond to the human trafficking through this awareness-based certification. This exam-based built-in learning content, scenario-based questions and no prior study material required. So key highlights is that understanding human trafficking law, tactics and risk. Identify red flags and victim signals. So learn safe reporting and trauma informed response. So gain practical awareness skill for the real world situation. So exam details will be there. Duration of this exam is 2 hours. Passing score is 60% and I will provide you the voucher. This is the voucher. So exam link is this one. So we'll go through the link. So this is the voucher. So I have already logged in. So you can create your account through the below URL, this URL. You can go through your profile, you register yourself, and after logging, you will get this page. When you will open this URL, there is a alert before taking this exam. Update your name so that certification is generated correctly across the link. So go through this link for the your update your name. So free exam use the coupon. So this is the coupon. So certified human trafficking awareness professional CHTAP and other details are there. So about exam, this is the passing score is 60%, duration is 2 hours. So now we are going to buy this. So click on the buy this exam. Here you can get the other details. This exam is $50. So here add a promotional code. So click here, just paste that and click on apply. So instead of payment directly you can go through the complete order. So when you click on the complete order, so you will now get a start exam. So click on the start exam. So start exam and you ready for the exam. You have 2 hours to complete this exam. Once started, you cannot pause this exam. So you can go through this. So in this video, we have learned how to get 100% free CHTAP certification exam. This is the Human Traffic Awareness Certification course. So step by step process, we have seen this one. Disclaimer is there, all trademarks, logo names belong to their respective owners. This video made only for the education and information purpose under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.